Shares of Snap starting the day with a gain before falling off. CEO Evan Spiegel revealing a plan to bring the company to profitability in 2019, but that's according to a leaked internal memo. Spiegel also admitted in the note that the company rushed the redesign, writing, quote, "In our excitement to innovate and bring many new products into the world, we have lost the core of what made Snapchat the fastest way to communicate."
Joining us now to discuss, CNBC contributor Ed Lee from the New York Times. Ed, as always, great to see you. Thanks for joining us.
Nice seeing you guys too.
Is it feasible that Snap can be profitable next year?
That's a really, really ambitious call. They've only seen losses pretty much since they went public, and certainly since before that. They're on pace to hit maybe $750 million in EBITDA losses this year. So for them to sort of reverse that entirely by next year, I think is going to be a really tough shot. Of course, he is the CEO. I mean, he can decide what he wants to do with it. Their ARPU, the average revenue per user they're getting, is certainly going up as well. So there's some possibility. The main thing, though, is they really have to turn around the user base. They actually lost on daily active user count the last quarter from the previous quarter. So it's been a really rough road for them. And the redesign is the reason for that people really didn't take to it.
Isn't it the redesign, Ed, but also the emergence of Insta stories? I mean, it's pretty easy to just open up one platform, be able to use Instagram for your still photos, your videos, and also your stories. You don't even really need Snapchat anymore, do you?
Well, so it's interesting because this rivalry between Snapchat and Instagram, for a while, Snapchat had all sort of the cool bells and whistles in terms of sort of the filters and stuff. What people were doing, they were sort of screenshotting the filters they use on Snapchat and then ported it over to Instagram because they had more friends on Instagram. Once Instagram started putting in their own filters and their own story system, it really wasn't a reason to go to Snapchat. So yeah, I think that's exactly a fair point. I think the fact that Instagram still has the network effect or the built-in sort of friendship or your network is what's really allowing them to succeed. Whereas with Snapchat, they had the better sort of cooler innovations, but it's the user count again. I think that's the key thing. If they can't turn that around, the number's going to continue to go south.